I wasn't going to show you this, but our next door neighbour, which is the shop next door to us, one of the residents, well, they're all family and they're all our family, right? There's 18 live in that house. 18, including the kids, obviously. Can you believe that? So it's very cool today. It's windy. The rain is on and off. Now what I want to show you is Kim. I'm sure you've seen her on other videos and selling food, and she started this new business. Now there used to be a guy across the road selling this stuff. It was really popular. He sold out very quickly. It's cheap and it's like 120% profit. And Mel's going to explain to you what it is, because Kim's English is limited and Mel loves it. Look at this beautiful lady. Who's this? Look how beautiful she looks today.
Don't say that.
Why?
What about just say, if you say to Anne is beautiful, you can tell to her as well beautiful.
Yeah, she's beautiful as well. Yeah.
Thank you, Sir Jim.
Yeah. Now, can I just say again, as well as Annie being family, she's a really good friend, right? She's one of the girls that will sit with me even when Mel's not there, because
She's comfortable.
yeah,
Because based on your experience, some other people, like for example, they sitting down on our house, and then when I go out, they're gonna go out.
if
as
you
well.
disappear, they go, and you're going to find that, guys, that a lot of them, and not everyone, but a lot of them's really very uncomfortable.
And you're afraid if someone's do that, they're gonna offend.
Yeah. It's like, do I smell or
I have a
something?
new business. It's your business.
Yeah, let's explain the business. Let's have a look at it. Have you got any left?
You can look the
Oh.
I know, and go
Well,
to
here we
best
go.
among the rest.
So what you got, Annie? Which one's that?
It's
It's tokwa.
tofu.
Right.
Ano opposite? Tofu.
That's tofu.
Tofu. Yeah.
So what's the actual what's it called? Soup? Porridge. What's a porridge called? No, you said it. You said something else, didn't you? There you go. All right. Calm down. So if we get this little babe's head out the way, you can have different things put in it. You can either have an egg, you can either have pig's blood.
It's a lechon.
That's lechon. What's this, babe?
Tofu.
That's the tofu. And then you get all different pieces, seasonings they put in it. Oops.
Chili.
No, I need to leave these alone. I like these sprinkles.
What this is?
What is it?
Your
Yeah.
onions.
I like onions.
Baby onions.
What about chili? Do they put chili in it? I've had some. It's really nice. That's the first time I've tasted it. It's what, baby?
This is my chili.
All right. Okay. Let's have a look in the main place.
Because it's raining season. So it's
Yeah. Look at all that.
nagmaanglo.
Will you, if this runs out, Kim, will you be making more?
Yeah.
Yeah. She's going to sell lots of that, because, like I say, when he was selling it over there, he had an even bigger pot than this, and it didn't last a couple hours and it was all gone. And like I say, it's the first time I've tasted it, and it's really nice.
Kim needs to save money because she's pregnant. She nearly on November.
Yeah. But this is going to help her be able to buy the burgers and the different stuff that she's also going to start selling again. They ran out of money and they stopped selling the food,
She needs
didn't
to
they?
raise the money that she make it, and then after that she's gonna start burger.
Yeah, burger, sausage, that battered egg that I like, because she does them as well. And then she cuts the sausage up and she batters that as well in little pieces, doesn't she? What about that? Why doesn't she do that fish? What's it called? Yeah, what they put on the stick that you like.
I like some other people. They want a fresh scoop.
All right. Okay. So, in the time I've been here, Mel bought that for herself, and I ate about half of it. It's really nice. She's, do you know what? With her food, she has been sometimes when I've been on a diet. She's felt she can eat it all. But
Sweet, no.
yeah, you're getting slimmer, aren't you, babe? She's never been selfish with her food. If she's got food, she'll share it.
First, before we
Yeah, she say, eat what you want and just leave me a little bit.
Look what you give to me.
No, I did not, you liar. I don't know. So Annie, why are you looking so beautiful today? Where have you been?
She will go to Central to meet her boyfriend.
Get that things.
You're going to Central with the kids? Whose kids?
My daughter.
She said kids. Kids means two.
What we've got here is failure to communicate.
You know
Three,
English,
four.
right?
So, I don't know, guys, but if you've got a Pinay wife, this is the kind of thing you want to be doing food-wise, because, like I say, it's about 120% profit, as long as you get the other bits, you know, really cheap. She buys the cheapest stuff, obviously, so she can make the most profit. But she's really good at cooking and stuff. What do you call that? That they put on the chicken before they cook it?
Marinade.
Marinade. She does the most beautiful marinade. I mean, really beautiful. And because I sort of helped Annie out the other day, she went and bought me 3 San Migs
And then one whole chicken.
and 1 whole chicken. And this is our kind. This is our kind. A lot of Pinays and Filipinas are. If you're good to them, they try and be good back. Now, obviously, we all know the negative side of that, where a lot just take. But the majority are really good, guys. The Philippines, and all right, I've only been to Cambodia in Asia. That's the only other place I've been. But you can't even compare that place. What's happened? Somebody been knocked off the bike. There's been an accident. Welcome to the Philippines. What happened?
Hit the kid.
Push bike.
Yeah.
Hit him.
I know the bike. No, the bicycle.
Oh.
Hello.
Well, he's not fazed by it because he's going. Do you know, I'm pleased that happened, because that just highlights what I always say. It's all right buying yourself a lovely car in the Philippines because you've come here with a massive budget, you got lots of money. But I'm telling you now, your nice car won't be very nice after a while. And for another example, there's a guy goes to the Greek restaurant here regular, and he's got one of these like big Ford, I think it's a Ford pickup, big red one, and somebody hit him and then did off. They said it's your fault when it was obviously not his fault. So he's got a massive dent in the side of his very expensive car. He's now got to put right, you know. Do you know what, I've only got my bike, and sometimes it's a hassle not having a car, like if we go to the beach and stuff. But really, guys, when you're in a city, a car's not really an advantage because you got nowhere to park, have you, Mel?
Yeah. And I know as well. I'm very, what's it called?
I can't say the word on camera, babe. What's that? We're very
worried when you're driving, because here in the Philippines they have a law that even it's not your fault, you'll go to prison.
Yeah, you know, if you knock a kid or anybody down and
even they had the
you
evidence,
kill them,
even they had evidence that it's not your fault, but you're gonna still in the prison.
Yeah, you'll go to prison if you kill anybody. They don't care if it's your fault if you got it on camera.
Yeah.
And for an example, a bus driver killed somebody, a young girl, She'd just graduated, hadn't she?
Yeah, it's just
And he was put in prison even though he had video
Yeah,
that it was
that's
her
calm,
fault.
that's calm.
She pulled out of a side road in front of the bus. You know how fast these buses go. And boom, straight in the side, killed her.
The bus driver, it's not his fault.
No.
The
Yeah, but they do go a bit crazy, babe, don't they? You know that when we've been on, can you remember your first time on a bus to Manila? You were sick about 12 times because the bus was going like crazy, wasn't it? So be careful when you're in the Philippines, guys, whether you're in a car, whether you're on a motorbike, or whether you're in your push bike.
Be careful.
Always be aware of your surroundings because
Especially
these,
in Manila.
yeah, here they just pull out. There's no right of way, there's no rules. The only rules is there's no rules. So you've got to be so
Especially,
careful.
the kids, because suddenly run over the road, right?
Yeah, they do. So I guess that's it. That's a wrap up, babe. That's the video.
Kim did not rent on her place.
She doesn't rent. No, you see, she just.
But maybe if the owner of the land saw her, he gonna confront about that.
Yeah, because he's not a nice guy, is he? We know him. So, yeah, Kim doesn't have any rent to pay as well. She's no overhead, so
But it's not
it's all
part
profit.
Part of his land.
Well, actually, this
It's
is
for the
the
government.
sidewalk. This is the government's bit. This bit. So
It's Adam.
the other guy's probably lying down. So the other guy obviously owns all this. Right, that's it.
Where's
That's
Adam?
the end. That's the end, Annie. It's the end of the movie, the video.
Very nice.
It's very nice.
Let's go to Bayawas.
Yeah. So
Just go to Bayawas.
it's time to say goodbye, Annie. Annie, it's time to say goodbye.
Bye.
Bye.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our video. Bye. Oops, Adam,
He's under the car. Bless him.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds chirping and I hear my name, grasping into life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah.